Donald Trump just pulled the trigger on tariffs that could shake the entire global economy, and China isn't staying quiet. 145% tariffs on Chinese goods. China's hitting back with 125% on American exports. Soybeans, aircraft parts, rare earth minerals, nothing is off the table. Is this a bold move to bring jobs back to America, or a dangerous gamble that could hurt every consumer and business in the world? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down what just happened, what it means for you, and why this trade war might only be the beginning. What just happened? So here's the deal. Former President Donald Trump has reignited his aggressive trade policy by imposing massive tariffs, up to 145% on Chinese imports. We're talking clothes, electronics, furniture, even car parts. Now, this isn't just political posturing. China immediately responded by slapping tariffs of up to 125% on U.S. goods, including crucial exports like soybeans, aircraft components, and pharmaceuticals. But wait, it goes further. China also announced it would suspend certain agricultural imports and tighten exports of rare earth minerals, which are essential for tech products, electric vehicles, and defense equipment. Now, what it means for Americans, let's break this down. What does this mean for everyday Americans? Short answer: higher prices on almost everything. From your next smartphone to your new couch or car, you could be paying 10 to 30% more in the coming months. Even worse, U.S. manufacturers relying on Chinese parts could pass those costs down to you or lay off workers to stay afloat. And remember, Trump says this will protect American jobs, but with automation and high production costs, experts argue that those factory jobs may not be coming back. So, are we really winning? China's silent weapon. Here's something most people don't know. China holds a powerful silent weapon: rare earth minerals. These materials are critical for high-tech industries, phones, electric cars, satellites, and China controls over 70% of the world's supply. By restricting exports of rare earths, China could choke supply chains and cripple U.S. tech and defense sectors. That's next-level economic warfare. And guess what? China is already strengthening trade ties with Europe and Southeast Asia to reduce dependence on the U.S. This is a long game. What's next? So what happens now? China may cut interest rates, pump money into their markets, and bet big on domestic consumption. Meanwhile, the U.S. could see rising inflation, trade disruption, and pressure on companies already moving production out of China. Some analysts are calling this the beginning of a cold trade war, one that could last for years and reshape the global economy. And here's the twist. The takeaway: is Trump's trade war a masterstroke to revive American industry, or a ticking time bomb for the global economy? Tell us in the comments. Do you support these tariffs, or do you think they're pushing us toward an economic showdown we can't afford? And if you want more deep dives on China-U.S. relations, global trade, and what it means for you, hit that like button, subscribe to Viral TV, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Because this is just the beginning.